Hey, hi guys, hi everyone. So today again I am back with some new set of questions. Okay, so as I have already discussed, so this will be your reasoning based questions. Okay, so the questions is sponsored by Smart Kida. Okay, so as you can see in the watermark that this questions is taken from Smart Kida question bank. Okay, so I'm just currently solving the set number 6 questions and set 7. Okay, so let's discuss about the first questions very quickly. So what has been written over there that there is 7 cartoon over there, okay, and it's different color, red, green, okay. Oh, okay, sorry. Red, green, white, orange. Okay, so there are color and there are some fruits. Okay, there are color, there are fruits. So there are 7 fruits and their weight is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 kg. Okay, so what can I do first? I can take this the weight of these fruits. Okay, so 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so this is the weight. Okay, now okay, so one is the fruit, so this is the fruit and this is the color. Okay, so let's make another thing, another column. Okay, fruit and color. So pista weighs 2 kg, so this is fruit. Pista weighs 2 kg. uh ricin is kept in red color cartoon. Okay, so this is not like our cup of tea. Okay, poppy seed is kept in pink color cartoon. Okay, look, we get something. Cashews weight the highest. Okay, cashews. Okay, lotus seeds weights more than the pista but less than almond. Okay, so lotus will be greater than pista but it is also less than almond. That's great. Anywhere it can be placed. Okay, almond and lotus anywhere between this. Okay, now, pista is neither kept in orange cartoon or not in the purple cartoon. Okay, dates are kept on blue. Dates are blue cartoon. Okay, so wherever I am getting some confirmed data, dates is blue. Raisin is red. Raisin is red. Poppy seed in poppy seed. Okay, so I just write in poppy. Poppy is pink. So actually, these are actually confirmed color. Okay. So dates are blue. Okay. Poppy seeds are pink. Okay. Lotus seeds with more. Raisin at least. Raisin weighs the least among. Okay. So here it is raisin because this is least and this is red. Confirmed. Okay. Pista is neither kept in orange nor purple. So this is for pista. Okay, so pista is not in orange nor in purple. Okay, dates are blue colored. Almond weighs 4 kg. Almonds weight 4 kg and is kept in orange. Orange. Okay, that's great. So what I have written that almond and then lotus. Okay, so lotus must be here. Why? Because almond, lotus, and then pista. Okay, this confirms over here. So now cashews are kept in white color. So this must be a white color. Okay. Now poppy seed does not weight 6 kg. So poppy seeds will weight poppy seeds with well 5. So you can just go through cashews, almonds, dates, and then so nowhere I have mentioned the dates. Okay. So dates will be here. Now poppy will be pink, dates will be blue, and this will be, so this is done, this is done, this is done. Pista is neither orange or purple, so purple will be here. So whatever is the rest, that means white anywhere. Okay, red, green. Green I have not mentioned, so green will be this. So let's discuss about the questions. Okay, weight of the dates is equal to the sum of the weights of which following pairs? Weight of dates is what? 6, maybe 4 and 2. Almonds and pista, anywhere is that? Almond and pista, so C. So C is there. And then raisin and lotus, raisin and poppy seeds. Yeah, raisin and poppy seeds. So A and C. Okay, A and C. Next, our questions is lotus seed is kept in which of the following colored cartoon? Lotus is kept. Lotus in purple. Okay, so option 2 is what? Purple. Number 3, 4 of the following group is like same. Raisin, cashews, lotus, poppy seeds, and dates. So here I can see rest of the things of dates. The dates is only kept in the even, so dates is out of the box because the rest of the things are kept on a odd number of series. Okay, so which combination is correct? Lotus seeds 3, no. Lotus seeds, not seeds. Pista blue 2, pista blue, no. Cashews 5, no. Almond 4 orange, yeah, almond 4 orange. Okay, almond 4 and orange. 5 question is what is the weight of poppy seed? So poppy seeds weight is 5. Done. So this is so simple questions. Okay, yeah, there is 3 variables, so this is a 3 variable questions. 3 variable questions. So yeah, maybe it's tough for the beginners, but yeah, this is straightforward questions. Okay, no need to take any projections, and if there is no need to take projections, then I think the questions are super easy to solve. Let's move to the next question. Okay, so next questions, as we move, we can see there are 5 employees named Bibek, Jaganesh, Divakar, Rahim, and okay, so 5 are there, and they born in a month, January to May, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to write their month. Okay, so first is January, February, March, April, and May. So this is 31, this is 31, and this is 31. So there are employee name, one variable. Okay, another variable is their working different MNCs, and all of them withdraw money like 1000 to 5000. So three variables. Okay, so yeah, consecutive multiple of 100. Okay, so let's see what are the questions. Okay, like what are the options? So Rahim was born on January, and he withdraw ATM. Okay, Rahim is born in January, and his withdrawal amount is not 4000. Okay, Jaganesh is okay. So here Jaganesh, the person who work in Infosys. So here this is Infosys. So, because we have like 3 variable. Okay, so here this is the like company, this is the name, and this is the salary or something like ATM withdraw money. So I just written like salary. Okay. Vivek was not born in May, and he works in Google. So if I put Vivek in over here, it is not possible. So Vivek, Google. Manoj had withdraw either 2000 or okay. So Manoj maybe here, maybe here. Okay. The person who works in Wipro was born in May. Wipro, born in May, but he is not Divakar. So Divakar may be here. So Vivek is placed, Jaganesh is placed, Divakar is placed, Rahim is placed, Manoj. So Manoj is left and he is here. Now Manoj withdraw either 2000 or 5000. Okay. Now 1000 withdraw by Jaganesh from ATM. Okay. So these are like absolutely connecting clues. Okay. The person who works in Google had withdraw 3000. Got it? So where this is Rahim, okay. So Rahim has not 4000. So 4000 maybe not here. So 4000 is absolutely here. Okay. So Rahim was born in January and his withdrawal amount is not 4000. Okay. 2000 or 5000 is confusion. Okay. And the company is confused between these two. That is either Infosys, Microsoft, either Microsoft or Wipro, Apple. Okay, Apple. So this is either Microsoft or Apple. Okay. Now just look. Jaganes does not work in Apple. Jaganes does not work in Apple. So it is confirmed that here it is Microsoft and here it is Apple. Okay. So it is confirmed. Microsoft from this. Okay. Where is this? Apple. Okay. And like the person who works in Infosys, I have done this. Manoj withdraw either 2000 or 5000. The person who works in Wipro was born in May, but he is not Divakar. Okay, so 1000 is withdraw. Okay, and the person who has Google withdraw 3000 from the ATM. So yeah, I think this two will remain in the options. So my question is, how much is withdraw by the Wipro? So Wipro is either 2000 or 5000. So cannot determined, can't determine. Okay. Number two, who among of the following was born in February? February was born Vivek or who works in Google? Vivek. Okay. So Vivek. Let's go to the next questions. If the sum of the amount withdrawn by Manoj and Divakar, Manoj and Divakar is together 9000. So together 9000. So from Divakar it will be 4000. So rest is 5000. So Manoj salary will be what? 5000. So who is Apple? What was his salary? So the question is asked, what was the salary who is working in Apple? So if Manoj is 5000, then he will be what? 2000. And I can say you that this is absolutely correct by seeing the frame of the questions, because just look at the sentiment of the questions. If they are not in such connections, such probabilities, the questions must not be asked in this way, right? So what is the difference of the amount withdrew by the person who works in Infosys and Google? Infosys 4000 and Google is 3000. So 1000. Okay. So this is 1000. And what was the next? If the amount withdrawn by Rahim was 3000, Rahim 3000 less than the highest amount withdrawn. So 2000, 2000. Okay, so who? Manoj. Okay, Manoj will be the one who is working in Wipro. Who works in Wipro. He will be got the highest salary. Why? Because Rahim will get 2000 as per the questions and Manoj will get 5000, and 5000 is the highest amount. So Wipro, one who works in Wipro. I think we have solved two questions, and you can easily predict that how to solve these questions, how to solve the questions with two and three variables also. Okay, but yeah, again I'm repeating that these questions are pretty straightforward, because I don't need to take any projections over there. If there is any need to take any projections, then the questions must be very, very tough and these questions you can see, you can expect in SBI PO or IBPS PO, PSPO, or maybe RRB PO means. Okay, so these are the exams where you can see this type of questions. So thank you. Just stay tuned. Bye bye.